Round 2, Tsunami, March 11th, 2011. People out on the street getting supplies. Streets are pretty much desolate though. People are being evacuated from Waikiki, any area near the ocean. Looks like taxis are keeping busy.
All these kids are running, look at them.
Hope they're not doing anything troublesome. Oh, it's their car.
They look like that.
Second tsunami of the night.
Second tsunami siren.
I mean, second tsunami siren of the night. People walking around. Looks like lots of cars. Well, not too many cars actually. Everyone's trying to get home. Looks like they're running down here. It's parked in front of the fire hydrant.